How to install installous on a jailbroken iPhone. First go to Manage, Sources, Edit, then hit Add. Then you type in the source, Cydia, CYDIA, .hackulo, .us. Now after you typed it in, hit Add Source. It gives you this warning, blah blah blah. We're going to hit Add anyway. Source has been added. Go ahead and hit Return to Cydia. As you see, the source is there now, so go ahead and hit Done. After you hit Done, go ahead and enter the source. Go on down to installous and install. It will also install all other applications needed to make it run. Also AppSync. AppSync lets you sync up your cracked apps to iTunes. Go ahead and hit. Now as you can see, we have installous. Go ahead and run it for your first time. Now you can browse through it like a common app store. Works pretty good. You have updates that come up. It's your download screen. Go ahead and search up something. Popular application that works well and that's popular is Street Fighter. Oops. Yeah, right there, that's the one we want. Top one. What I'm going to do here, just like in the App Store, download thing pops up. It's download button. This pops up. These are the sources you could download from. All different versions, 1.00, 0.1, 0.2. 0.2 is the usually newest. Now go ahead and hit the top closest one in the newest firmware. It's usually the most recently cracked. Now sometimes you'll get to a screen that looks like this. Now you have the option high speed or regular. Now high speed of course is if you are a member of this special download site, but I'm not, so we're going to hit regular download. As you see, a countdown timer starts. Please wait 54, 53, 52. Now you're going to have to wait until that's done, till the download icon pops up. Now once the proper download icon pops up and you press it, you will have to wait till it downloads. Cool thing about this I like, it shows you the speed it downloads at, estimated time, and how much has been downloaded so far. Now, depending on your Wi-Fi connection, I usually have 3 or 4 people on my Wi-Fi at a time in this house, so it doesn't run the fastest. Also, it also depends on the source you get the app from. Some will download faster than others, but we will return when this is done. Okay, now as you see, Street Fighter is done downloading. What you're going to do is tap it, hit the install, and it will install right there. Some of these installs can take longer than others. The bigger the app, the more. I can see this one is 232 megabytes, fairly large application. So I estimate this will take about a minute to install, since this is being done on my girlfriend's 3GS. Bam. Once it's installed, what I do before I delete the file is I go to the home screen, double check, and yep, there it is, Street Fighter 4. Now once the app is installed, you go ahead, click on it again, and hit delete this time. So you don't have two copies of it keeping up your storage. Now you can play and enjoy.
Street Fighter 4.
This game is really fun on the iPhone.
Who will come out on top? Fight! Yoga fight!
Pretty easy to play. Takes a little bit used to with the joystick down there on the corner, but easy done. Super special. Try to do it better like that. Probably gonna lose this one, huh?
That's right.
That's Street Fighter.
You win.